In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in from WP Engine to the WordPress admin site. Whether you're new to WP Engine or just need a refresher on accessing your WordPress dashboard, this guide is here to help. Let's dive into it. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to my.wpengine.com. This is the main WP Engine login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. If you're not yet registered, you'll want to do that first, but assuming you have your login details ready, go ahead and enter your username and password. Click on that sign in button to continue. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the WP Engine dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your WP Engine account. Now, to access the WordPress admin site for your specific environment, look for the Access WP Admin option. It's typically located as a convenient link on the dashboard interface. Clicking this will take you one step closer to your WordPress panel. After clicking Access WP Admin, you're directed to another screen. Here, in the top right corner of your environment dashboard, you'll notice a button labeled WP Admin. Go ahead and click this button. It's essentially your gateway to entering the WordPress admin area associated with your current environment. Occasionally, depending on your settings and specific environment configurations, you may need to log in again to the WordPress site itself. This is often a security measure, but it should be quick if you have your credentials at hand. If prompted, you'll simply need to re-enter your WordPress username and password. It's important to note that this might not happen every time. So if you don't see a login prompt, don't worry, it's normal. However, if it does appear, just input your credentials as required. Now, once those credentials have been accepted, you're successfully in. You should see the familiar WordPress dashboard interface. From here, you can manage your site like adding new posts, customizing themes, updating plugins, and performing general admin tasks. Everything you need to manage your WordPress site is now at your fingertips. In summary, accessing the WordPress admin site via WP Engine is straightforward once you know where to click. You start at the WP Engine dashboard, locate the Access WP Admin option, and potentially complete a quick login if prompted. With these steps, you're all set to efficiently manage and oversee your site operations through the WordPress admin panel. That wraps up today's tutorial on how to navigate from WP Engine to your WordPress admin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials to enhance your WordPress experience.